Meet the Aspiron Lightweight Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful cleaning, made easy. Show the sleek design of the Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner. With a powerful motor, it provides deep cleaning for carpets, hard floors, and more. Display the vacuum in action, cleaning various surfaces. Bagless designed for easy maintenance. Advanced filtration captures dust and allergens efficiently. Show the easy-to-empty dust cup and advanced filtration system. Customers love its strong suction and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver. Upgrade your cleaning routine with Aspiron Canister Vacuum Cleaner and enjoy exclusive offers. The powerful performance and ease of use. Perfect for keeping homes clean and fresh. Transform your home with the Aspiron Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. For more info, click on the link in description and do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.